Diamonds are forever.
She was minor to my gypsy girl, something to myself. She was minor, keeping money on my place. She looking up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Makeupmoo, and welcome back to part 2 of my festival look featuring products from Riley Rose. If you guys follow Riley Rose on Instagram, you can enter into their contest and you can actually receive all of the products that I have. So go ahead, make it do what it do, sis. So before I get started on my makeup look, I actually want to use some of the hair products that they sent me to do, you know, I guess 2 cute little braids in the front, and then I'm going to tie it in the back. But before I do that, I want to use my Batiste dry shampoo, the coconut scent. Smells so good. And you can purchase this from Riley Rose. And I'm just going to spray the front of my face so that my braids look nice and fresh and clean. Now what I'm just doing is parting my hair from ear to ear, and I'm going to do a braid on each side. Next, I'm just going to use a small rubber band to secure my braids in the back of my hair. So it's like I pretty much have on like my own little headband. And then I'm just going to let my hair flow to the front. But as you can see, it already has like a loose wave. So I think this is like super cute. So I'm going to take this purple shade here and blend that all over my lid. What I'm doing is just kind of winging this shade to the end of my brow and then blending it upward into my crease. I'm literally just using one brush to deposit the color, and then I'm just taking another brush to diffuse the edges. You can get messy with this if you want. Like Riley Rose says, go wild. I'm going to go ahead and sweep some of that color underneath my lower lash line as well. Next, I'm going to take a clean brush, and I'm just going to pick up just a teeny bit of this shade here and lightly blend the edges of the purple shade that I used. So just a little teeny bit, and this is just going to kind of give it more of a gradient effect. Now, at first it's going to look like somebody punched you in your eyes, but once you, you know, put your foundation and stuff on, it's going to look so good. You got to trust the process. Sorry guys, if it looks like I'm like looking all to the side, I'm using a new camera, so I'm not used to my screen being like on this side. I'm used to like looking up to my screen, so please excuse me if I look weird. Next, I'm just taking a little glitter glue to sweep all over my lid. And then I'm going to take some of my dark unicorn glitter, and I'm just going to take the back of my brush to pick up some of the glitter. I'm kind of going in between using my brush and my finger to put this glitter on my lid. But, you know, you can do whatever works best for you. I love that. Look how bomb that looks. Next, I'm going to apply my lashes from LA Splash. These lashes are so cute. I'm actually really surprised that these lashes look so good. While my lash glue gets tacky, I'm just going to use some of my mascara to coat my bottom lashes. Now that my lashes are a bit tacky, I'm going to go ahead and apply them to my lid. Okay, how beautiful is this eye makeup? Like, yes, this is giving me all the life I need. Next, I'm going to take some of my Silver Beauty illuminating drops, and I'm just going to put just a tad bit on my cheeks. I'm actually going to put it on the back of my hand first. And I just want to dab my cheeks with that first before adding my shimmer highlight. Next, I'm going to take my highlights Opals palette from Lime Crime, and I'm going to take a fan brush and pick up the shade Peach and dust my cheeks with that. Ugh, look how pretty that is, y'all. Now here comes the fun part. So I'm going to go ahead. Oh my god, this is so freaking pretty. And stick that right on my forehead, and you want to keep it pressed down for about 5 seconds. I recommend adding a little bit of clear glue or glitter glue if you want like extra hold. I'm sure that would like really keep it on, but this seems pretty secure to me. So this is so cute, I cannot. And then I'm gonna add some here. This is so much easier than putting jewels on individually. Like, this brand is genius. And look how good the glitter goes with the band. Like, I'm just giving all types of life. Next, I'm gonna take my Queen of Hearts liquid lipstick from LA Splash and put that on all over. My Lime Crime Diamond Crusher lip topper in the shade Pink Pearl to put on top of my lip color. I'm definitely festival ready, and I definitely went wild with these products. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you again, Riley Rose, for sending me this wonderful PR package. Guys, don't forget to follow them on Instagram at Riley Rose so that you can possibly win all of these goodies too. See you guys in my next video. Shabloop!